Hello students, good morning. Today I will discuss mass moment of inertia. I will make video series on this particular topic. So let us start from the basics. So first topic is about introduction to mass moment of inertia. So let us see what is mass moment of inertia and let us read its definition. It is a measure of the inertia of the system, that is a measure of the resistance the system offers when we try to set it in rotational motion. Means if we have some let us say rigid body, and if we want to rotate that rigid body about any particular axis, then the resistance which this particular body will offer against its rotation about that particular axis, the measure of that particular resistance is called as mass moment of inertia. So over here what is saying, consider a body of mass m. So one body is considered, let us say its mass is m, which is to be rotated about an axis a dash. So we have to rotate, let us say, this particular body about this particular axis. The name of the axis is a dash, and we want to rotate this body about this particular axis. Let us say it consists of number of elements of mass delta m1 delta m2. Now our motive is that we want to find how much resistance this body will offer against its rotation about this particular axis, because that will be called as mass moment of inertia of this particular body. So in order to find that, what we did, we divided this whole body which is of mass m into small number of elements of masses delta m1 delta m2 up to, let us say, delta mn. So then he says, then the moment of inertia will be given by, that is the body's resistance to being rotated. Okay, so what we did, we have divided the mass of the body into n number of masses delta m1 delta m2 up to delta m1. So if we have to find the resistance which this particular body will offer against its rotation about this particular axis, that is called as mass moment of inertia. That will be equal to I equal to r1 square delta m1 plus r2 square delta m2 plus up to the nth term. So what is included in the first term? R1 square delta m1. So delta m1 is what? It is the mass of the first element, small element of this particular body, and r1 over here is the distance of that mass from the axis a dash a, that is r1. So over here it is written where r1 and r2 are the distances of masses delta m1 delta m2 from the axis of rotation, that is a dash a. Now we can reduce this particular term to I equal to integration of r square dm. So you can say we have reduced this particular longer equation into a shorter equation by using an integration sign over here. So this is the mass moment of inertia of this particular body about this particular axis a dash. So SI unit of mass moment of inertia is kilogram meter square. So I hope this introductory topic of mass moment of inertia is clear to you, and you are clear about what is mass moment of inertia. In the next video we will discuss about radius of gyration and moment of inertia of a body with respect to a coordinate axis. Thank you very much.